A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Cosmic Energy Download, the living app within human DNA. Ladies and gentlemen, all existence is a single unbroken current of energy. From the birth of stars to the rhythm of a single cell, the same power flows and renews. Humanity is not a bystander to this river of cosmic energy. Every body is a luminous conduit hidden in the spirals of DNA, is a living application, an inbuilt code that receives the universe as effortlessly as the skin receives sunlight. This is no mere metaphor. It is the meeting place of biology, neurology, quantum science, and timeless wisdom. The human form is built for resonance. Each heartbeat generates an electromagnetic wave that travels beyond the chest. Nerve cells communicate through pulses so rapid that researchers describe them with the language of quantum physics. Within these cells lie delicate inner frameworks, minute tubular lattices known as microtubules, structures so fine they vibrate like microscopic tuning forks, carrying signals through the brain with astonishing precision. DNA behaves like a fractal antenna. Laboratory studies show it can absorb and re-emit faint light particles called biophotons, suggesting that information may pass through the body in ways not limited to chemistry. Cosmobiology reveals that the iron in the blood and the calcium in the bones were forged in ancient stars. The cosmos therefore lives within each human breath. Quantum mechanics adds that observation shapes probability, while psychology shows perception as active creation. Ancient seers intuited this long before laboratories. The Upanishads spoke of prana, the breath of the universe. Taoist texts described harmony between heaven and earth. Indigenous traditions on every continent tell of a living light in all beings, insights now mirrored by modern science. What's the way forward? Downloading cosmic energy requires no ritual or device. It is an art of alignment. Body, mind and cosmos tuning as one. 4 universal practices awaken the inner app while nurturing health and natural rhythms. First, coherent breath. Slow, steady breathing synchronizes heart and brain patterns, sustaining emotional balance and physical vitality. Second, still awareness. Quiet daily observation and following circadian clock resets natural rhythms and opens intuitive clarity. Third, resonant action. Positive thoughts, purposeful actions, and righteous deeds in harmony create a self-reinforcing field of wisdom, compassion, and courage. Fourth, earth communion. Time with nature. Soil, trees, sky, and water restores subtle electrical balance and celebrates Earth's generous design, a rare planet in itself offered to humanity as a cosmic gift of life. These 4 habits are culture-free, age-free, and quietly profound, anchoring wellness while opening the channel for universal energy. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, to download cosmic energy is to rediscover origin and purpose. It nourishes health, steadies the mind, and awakens a living resonance, an emotional and spiritual harmony that moves through every relationship, through the planet that sustains life, and through the vast intelligence that created all things. When thought is steady and the senses serve the soul, this resonance allows energy to flow freely, linking the human spark with the infinite continuum. The eternal counsel of the Bhagavad Gita then truly resounds in the words of Lord Krishna as a cosmic echo. Whoever offers to me with devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water, I accept that loving offering. The message is profound in meaning. The offering can be anything and in any form, including the openness of consciousness itself. In that openness, the universe responds without limit, and the download of energy becomes a continuous, timeless communion of life with the divine. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.